Although Christianity brought about a near-total transformation in the Mizo lifestyle and outlook, some customary laws have stayed on. The efforts of the missionaries, so it seems, were not directed at changing the basic customs of the Mizo society, presumably because they saw nothing much wrong with them. The customs and traditions which they found meaningless and harmful were abolished by persistent preaching. Thus tea replaced zhu as a popular drink among the Mizo. Zhao book had been replaced by modern education. Animal sacrifices on ceremonial occasions, which were once an integral part of Mizo religious system, are now considered anathema. But such traditions as the payment of bride price are still continued and encouragement, so are some other customs and community traditions. The Mizo are not alone in putting a price on a bride. This custom is prevalent in a few other Indian communities as well. When a Mizo boy approaches his fiancée's parents for permission to get married, the first thing he has to do is to settle the bride price. If the price, among other things, demanded by him, is acceptable to the parents, the boy and the girl are allowed to get married. Thus, the settlement of the bride price to be paid by the bridegroom is an essential prerequisite to a Mizo marriage.
That's all for this time. For more information on fashion, styles, culture and people of Mizo, subscribe our channel.